Welcome to Best Choice. The best Crappie Magnet Jig Heads is probably one of the most essential pieces of tackle for any serious crappie angler, offering a unique combination of durability, sharpness, and a design that's proven to attract those elusive slabs. When you're out on the water, the right jig head can make all the difference between a slow day and a cooler full of fish, and these jig heads are engineered to give you that competitive edge, ensuring your bait is presented perfectly every single cast, increasing your chances of a successful and rewarding fishing trip. Number 5. LELAND'S Lures Crappie Magnet Best of the Best Kit. Introducing the Crappie Magnet Best of the Best Kit from LELAND'S Lures. This comprehensive fishing kit is designed to bring you the ultimate crappie fishing experience. Experience the difference with its unique split-tail design. This feature ensures consistent performance, outfishing other lures with more action. This lure is a proven winner, recognized as one of the top vertical fishing jigs for crappie. It has a history of success in numerous tournaments. This kit contains everything you need for a successful crappie fishing trip. It includes our top lure colors, jig heads, and floats for versatile fishing. Not only is it effective at catching crappie, but it's also incredibly durable. You can rely on it to last longer than other small jigs on the market. Inside this kit, you'll find 96 lure bodies, 15 double-cross jig heads, and 4 EZ floats. Everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This kit offers a unique split-tail design that consistently outfishes other lure types. It's a proven tournament winner, meaning it's trusted by serious anglers. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to start catching crappie right away, this is the kit for you. What people say. Always great for crappies and bluegill. Ordered these to get ready for spawning season, but they are definitely fish-catching baits. Nice and convenient for our last-minute fishing trips to the neighborhood pond. Fits perfectly in my fishing backpack. Works for almost UK species, pike, zander, and perch especially. Number 4. Dovesun Fishing Jig Heads. Choose from 7 different weights, each available in multiple colors. Some hooks even glow in the dark for enhanced visibility. They come conveniently packaged in a portable box. These fishing jig heads feature vibrant, reflective paint and realistic 3D eyes. This design strengthens their underwater visibility and creates an illusion of a larger profile, making them irresistible to fish like bass, walleye, and crappie. Designed with a double-collared keeper, these jig heads prevent soft baits from sliding off. This feature also protects your lures from damage, extending their lifespan and making them perfect for targeting big-game fish. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, the hooks are incredibly sharp and durable. They sink quickly for faster hook sets and are sensitive enough to detect every bite. Some models also feature glow-in-the-dark capabilities for night fishing. Suitable for anglers of all skill levels, these jig heads are effective for a wide range of freshwater and saltwater species. They are ideal for finesse fishing applications, helping you target everything from striped bass to walleye. For low-light conditions, some of these jigs are equipped with glow-in-the-dark materials. Simply expose them to light beforehand to maximize their luminescence and attract more fish. What we like. With a wide range of weights and vibrant, lifelike colors, these jig heads offer great versatility. The 3D eyes and glow-in-the-dark options enhance visibility in various conditions. If you need a jig head that can adapt to different fishing environments and target species, especially in low light, these are an excellent choice. What people say. High-quality hooks with super sharp point. Hooks will not bend out like cheaper hooks. The eye holes were clean and easy to thread. The paint job was done really well, smooth, consistent, and durable with no chips or flaws. Each jig arrived in great shape and ready to fish. Overall, excellent quality and attention to detail. The quality is excellent and the strength and sharpness of the hooks is as good as you would expect from a premier brand. The hooks would absolutely hold up. Number 3. Trout Magnet 164-ounce Shad Dart Jig Heads. Introducing the Trout Magnet Jig Heads, designed for ultimate fishing success. These balanced jigs are perfect for a variety of fish species. Experience a unique, lifelike action with our special Shad Dart head shape. It perfectly complements any jig body you choose. A small barb on the hook ensures your plastic body stays securely in place. This means less time re-rigging and more time fishing. Engineered for optimal balance, these jigs work in harmony with the trout magnet body. Achieve superior performance and better results. Whether you're fishing for trout, crappie, bass, or panfish in freshwater or saltwater, these jigs are your go-to gear. Get ready for your best fishing trip yet. What we like. The unique Shad dart head shape creates a distinctive action that entices fish. Its small barb securely holds your lure body, preventing slippage. If you're targeting trout, crappie, bass, or panfish and want a balanced jig that works exceptionally well with specific lure bodies, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The 164-ounce weight is great for ultralight fishing setups, allowing for natural presentations and long casts. The Shad dart head design really helps the lure dart and move enticingly in the water, increasing strike rates. The lure body securing barb holds soft plastics firmly in place, even after multiple casts and strikes. Number 2. Leland Lures 87520 Crappie Magnet. Introducing the Leland Lures 87520 Crappie Magnet. It's designed to be a decorative magnet for your needs. This magnet comes in a compact package, measuring 8.382 centimeters in length, 4.318 centimeters in width, and 1.27 centimeters in height. Its primary function is as a decorative magnet. It's a simple yet effective addition to any magnetic surface. Weighing just 1/16 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight. You can easily place it anywhere without worry. From Leland Lures, you can expect quality and practicality. This decorative magnet is no exception. What we like. This product is a decorative magnet, not a fishing lure. If you're a fan of Leland Lures and want a small, collectible item for your fridge or tackle box, this is a fun choice. It's perfect for adding a touch of fishing flair to your everyday items. What people say. The Crappie Magnet Jig Heads are designed with a unique weed guard that helps prevent snags in vegetation, allowing for better lure presentation. These jig heads feature a sharp, durable hook that ensures a good hook set and holds fish securely, minimizing the chance of them getting away. The paint on the Crappie Magnet Jig Heads is chip resistant and comes in various vibrant colors, making them attractive to crappie in different water conditions. Number 1. Leland Lures Crappie Magnet. Meet the Crappie Magnet, a unique decorative item from Leland Lures. Its compact size makes it a versatile addition to any space. Measuring just 10.16 centimeters in length, this decorative magnet is designed to impress. Its sleek nickel finish adds a touch of style. Beyond its decorative appeal, it's a functional magnet. Use it to add flair to your refrigerator or any magnetic surface. Crafted with attention to detail, this magnet showcases the quality Leland Lures is known for. It's built to last and designed to catch the eye. Looking for a unique gift? The Crappie Magnet is an excellent choice for anyone who appreciates distinctive decor. It's both charming and practical. What we like. This is a decorative magnet with a nickel finish, ideal for collectors or fans of fishing memorabilia. It's not designed for fishing but serves as a charming accessory. If you appreciate unique, themed decor and want to showcase your passion for fishing, consider this item. What people say. The Crappie Magnet Jig Heads are designed with a sharp, durable hook that ensures a good hook set. These jig heads feature a realistic baitfish profile that attracts crappie effectively. The paint finish on the Crappie Magnet Jig Heads is very durable and resists chipping, even after multiple catches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.